Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Bodycam Files, and the title of the video is Drunk Girl Gets Busted, Makes Things Even Worse. Let's get into the video now. Let's see what they talking about, man.
You searched my vehicle.
What's going on, guys?
Hey,
How are y'all?
good, how are you?
Where are you just stopping?
He's just trying to get me home, honestly. Like, I'm drunk, so.
Or what were you just doing?
Honestly.
You're reaching like underneath you.
My hey dudes.
How are y'all?
My jeans.
You know why I'm stopping you?
No. Yeah, he was going down, but he's just trying to get me home. Like, honestly. Like,
Had you 82.
Yes, sir.
You got your driver's license on you?
I don't have it on me, no, sir.
Okay.
I do got one.
He does have a valid one. He
I
just.
have my wallet on me.
Okay. How much you had to drink?
Enough.
Okay, but you know me, I'm not driving, so like, why does it matter how much I
I'm
pay?
just wondering.
It's okay, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
Listen, quit doing that. He's being cool, bro.
How are y'all related?
He's just a friend. I just got off work.
What's up with the vehicle? Like I see it's a dealer tag.
Oh no, so what happened was I bought a vehicle from Kia, and then I had to take it up there. I thought it was an alignment, like it was wobbling. I literally just bought the vehicle, so I took it up there, and then like I have the video, like this, so that there was like all this stuff wrong with it. So they gave me this, because like,
Your name is Brianna?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Oh.
But I'm not driving, so like, why does that matter?
I'm just asking.
I mean, obviously, you know the fucking answer. So
well, you look different. You look a lot rougher than last time I saw you. So, do you have a copy of your registration for the vehicle or anything?
No, he's driving my vehicle because I'm drunk. He was just trying to get me home.
I don't think they gave her anything. I was at a dealership.
They literally, bro.
Because the tag doesn't come back to this vehicle. It's just it comes back to the
No, bro.
Like outside.
Bro, I have the fucking paperwork, dog. Like, I literally asked him. I said, "What's?" No, bro, just
Calm the fuck down.
Is the vehicle registered to you?
no, it's
a rental car. It's like a fucking sub car while they work on her car.
Can you see if there's a registration in here or any paperwork that would have the VIN and stuff for the vehicle?
No, they ain't shit. They didn't give me nothing.
Okay. Alright.
But we can call them. I'll call them. You want me to call them?
No, you're okay. Anything illegal in the vehicle today?
Oh, absolutely not.
Okay. Any guns, firearms, anything?
No.
Any large sums of cash over $10,000?
No, sir.
No. Okay. Anybody smoke marijuana?
I smoke.
I mean, I smoke, but we ain't been smoking in here, so.
Okay.
This was 2025, baby. I ain't fucking that up.
How old are you, my man? 24?
No, he's talking to my kid.
Do you have any ID on you? None at all?
I have mine, though. You want mine?
Okay. Can I get your name real quick? You sure you weren't stuffing like sitting on something? Because as soon as I came to the passenger side, you started moving around.
I was looking for my, bro, I have a beer right here, but this is my beer. I put it right there, that's my beer. The dude that ain't, like,
Relax.
he's not drinking right.
Sit down and relax for a second. Y'all give me just a minute.
No.
I'm gonna come over to that side real quick and just grab the VIN off the vehicle. Okay, just so I can
it's
confirm
right on
everything.
right there.
Okay. Hey, open this door right here for me. So I can get the one from the inside the door. So it's yeah, I got it right here too. So it's essentially just a rental car?
Yeah, it's not a rental car. It's a car that they gave her at the dealership to drive to fix her car because she bought a car 3 days ago and then had to bring it back like 2 days after that.
Okay, I'm gonna shut this real quick. Y'all hang out just for a sec, okay? You ain't got no guns on you, nothing like that. Here, come on back here for me. I'm just gonna make sure you ain't got no guns on you, okay? So what's the deal? Why is everyone so nervous?
They're pissing me off. She's been acting fucking fool because she's drunk.
Hey, sit down for a sec.
And they picked me up and wanted me to fucking drive them home, so I'm driving them home. I just got off work.
You don't have anything up in your door?
No, I got nothing in my fucking car.
Y'all have any weed in there?
No. I don't know what the hell's in that. I don't have nothing.
So nothing up in your door or something like that? Because last time I dealt with him, he had, I think, some narcotics and a gun and stuff like that. I specialize in narcotics. Okay, obviously, a little bit more nervous than the normal traffic stop. That's what I'm trying to figure out. I'm waiting.
I seen her turn around. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna get pulled the fuck over, and then she's in there still fucking throwing her hands out the window.
Yeah.
That's why as soon as I leave here, I'm not getting back in the car. He can drive her home. So.
Here, just have a seat right there.
It's like right past the fairground before the State Farm office. Monday through Friday. I work for MD.
NCIC 1.
Why does that matter?
Brianna.
Because we're just making
Hey, do you
Yeah, but like, listen, like, bro, like, I'm telling you, like, if you're gonna take anybody saying,
Hey,
bro,
hey,
please,
Brianna.
bro, crossing them over.
Honestly, this is the problem why you can't make a name for yourself wherever it is that you live in, because you're going to get singled out. It is what it is. It sucks. The officer already knows who she is. He talking about the dude in the back. Last time he dealt with him, he had narcotics on him, this and that. You cannot, it makes it tough, you know what I'm saying? Because whether this driver is, you know, just helping him out, driving him home, or he's involved or whatever, he's kind of jammed up in the mix, you know what I'm saying? And cops are gonna mess with you if they think that they could find something. She moving around, hands up like the dude said, you know, cops can see, like, whether it's nighttime or daytime, they can see when they pulling you over and they getting behind you. When you moving around and stuff, they can see that. They don't see exactly what you're doing, but if there's a lot of moving around, they're trained to be like, okay, well, something is up. He's tucking something, hiding something, doing something, because that's not normal. You don't get pulled over by the cops and just all of a sudden scrambling around, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why you just gotta lay low, man. When you make a name for yourself, they're gonna keep messing with you.
Do you have a shirt that you can put on so you can cover up?
No, this is what the fuck I wear.
You don't have nothing on you, right?
Wait.
Nothing illegal? I'm just asking. Okay, here, come on back here and have a seat on my bumper with them real quick, okay?
Oh.
You can leave him in here for a sec. He's fine.
And I'm calling my bitch.
Okay. Here.
Call up my mommy.
Yeah, that's fine. I'm gonna right here because, bitch, if you're gonna take anybody, take me.
Anything else other than some marijuana roaches?
Have you found anything on anybody?
Yeah, marijuana roaches.
That's
Why
fine.
don't you just pipe it down?
Hey,
Pipe it down before you make it worse for every motherfucking body.
for real.
God damn,
It's some good people right here.
hey, anybody have a medical marijuana card? Brianna, do you have a medical marijuana card? I'm assuming.
Fucking bullshit, bro. Fucking bullshit. That's what's going on.
Hey, Brianna, hey, listen to me. You're in a public place, so if you don't stop yelling, I'm gonna take you to jail, okay? Like super simple, okay? And then I'm gonna call DCF to come get your kid. So either you can sit there and be quiet for a sec, okay? Because you're intoxicated, okay?
But I wasn't driving.
It doesn't
and you just
matter.
searched my car illegally.
Okay, cool. Come talk to me when you're sober, and then we'll explain it.
Wait, right here. Do not leave.
I asked you if
Okay,
you would walk
okay,
in.
look here. I'm not going to argue with you. I'm tired of it. Wait right here. Will it be done? I'm not. I'm not even the sheriff.
Yeah, no shit.
Brianna, hey, sit right here where I told you to sit.
Bro, you just searched my shit illegally, bro.
Okay.
Okay, file a lawsuit. Right there! You hear me?
Yeah,
Okay, stand right there.
Here.
Move.
Here.
I'm sick of it.
fucking. Excuse me.
Relax. Turn around.
Are you kidding me?
Turn around.
Disorderly conduct.
How many times do we have to tell you to stand there?
Bro, I literally just asked him if he would walk in with me to pee, bro.
Put your phone down so it don't break.
What the fuck I have
Put
to
your phone down so it
pee?
don't break.
All I did was ask him to walk inside with me to pee, bro, and he told me to pee right here.
Face so I can.
I just have to pee, bro. That's all I was asking, bro.
You
Like, what the fuck?
Let me fix these.
Excuse me? What am I being arrested for?
Possession of drug paraphernalia.
I literally just asked you.
No, what you did is you literally turned what would have been us putting a pound
No,
property
I didn't cry.
Be quiet. And these gentlemen driving you on the rest of the way to Jasper.
Dude,
and you're going to jail.
All I don't fuck. All I did was ask you if I could go pee, bro. That's literally all I did, bro. That's literally all I did, bro. I literally just asked you if you would walk me inside
here. Come on.
No, I did not say that.
No,
You said you were going in the
No,
I told you to wait right there. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Please don't.
Brianna, get in the car.
Please don't do this.
Okay, get in the car.
Please.
Get in the car.
Like literally all I did was ask her to
in
be.
the car.
All I did was ask her to be broken. I believe she's gonna be. I'm not.
Get
I'm
in the car.
Are you kidding me?
Get in the car.
No, we're not getting. Trust me.
Put your foot in. Put your leg in.
All I did
There
was
you go.
ask you to go pee, bro. Yeah, all I did was ask him to escort me to the bathroom, bro. And y'all fucking put me in handcuffs. This is a fucking camera, bro. I'm a fucking lawyer, bitch. Try me, bro. You've been a kid without a job. All I had to do was pee. What you want me to do? Pee on this fucking seat?
They said possession of drug paraphernalia. Did you guys see that part? I know they said it, but who was it in her pants or something? That was under her seat maybe or something, but I don't know. I didn't see that part. I'm looking at it. I'm like, huh? I thought it would be disorderly because he warned her about yelling in public and stuff like that. So, and she kept going, you know what I mean? But I like the guys. The guys, they chilling. They like, man, we ain't getting locked up for her BS, man. We kicking it. Look, especially dude with the glasses. He already know he already know they looking for him. You know what I'm saying? So he ain't got nothing on him. He like, I'm good. Like, I'm trying to go home. You hear me?
No, that's probably...
All I did was ask him to. I literally asked him to escort me to the bathroom.
Hey.
I'm in on your seat, bitch. Fuck you, bro.
I wouldn't piss on it.
I would.
Okay, well,
Y'all won't even let me go to the bathroom.
I'm gonna take you to jail so you can go to the bathroom.
No, that's too far.
It's right around the corner. She told me she's gonna piss in my car.
Ask her. Where?
I wasn't driving. I wasn't doing shit, bro. I asked them to take me to the bathroom. I said, can you please escort me to the bathroom? And so they put me in handcuffs.
Where's she?
They searched my car without a search warrant.
I'll be up.
Yeah, you got
Yeah, I
me,
know. I'm
bro.
trying to.
Where's the warrant? They searched my car without a search warrant, bro. Bro, like I love you, bro. And I didn't fuck up. I wasn't driving. I didn't do anything. They're taking me to jail, bro. You gotta get your ass over here. Like for real, bro. Like they're literally doing illegal ass shit. They have no warrant to search my vehicle. First of all, where's the warrant?
Let me tell Trevor.
No, bitch. The phone. I asked him to escort me to the bathroom, bro. I wasn't.
Can I take Lincoln with me so you can beat your mom? If not, they're gonna call DCF, and that's what you don't want.
I cannot. I wasn't even drunk.
Listen, listen, it doesn't matter. It's a yes or no question.
Why is my phone?
Do you want DCF to be called on you, or do you want me to take Lincoln to your mom? One or two answers.
I'm not going to jail for this. This shit is illegal.
There's plenty of reasons. There's plenty of reasons.
Let me tell you what we're gonna do. I'll tell you what we're gonna do. What we're gonna do.
No, I want to know what you're arresting
We're
me
gonna
for.
call DCF. Okay.
Okay, no,
Hold your breath.
he's gonna take my son.
Is that what you want to have happen?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I want to know what you're arresting me for. You can't even tell me that.
So
What are you arresting
it's probably
me
gonna
for?
be drug paraphernalia
Excuse me?
and resisting.
Hey, resisting what, bro?
I would say that your disorderly conduct was distracting throughout this. We wouldn't even be here. We'd probably
Bro,
be
you know
gone.
what? That's what I love about y'all little bitch ass fucking cameras. So they have cameras, bro.
See, that's the Sarge right there. Like, cause you can see the patch on the side. Like, that's what I was thinking. I'm like, resisting, that's kind of weak. You know, yeah, that's weak. And drug paraphernalia, I don't know. I didn't see when they found that. I didn't even see that. I would just go with disorderly conduct. That's easy. That's an easy one. That's green light all day. All day.
I've just been running the whole time, catching all of your behavior.
Yeah,
It's
bro,
beautiful.
because you're arresting me for no fucking reason. You have no
It's
reason.
beautiful, and a
You
jury
know,
gets to
where's
see
your
it.
warrant to search my car?
The
Where's your
jury
warrant?
gets to see it.
Where's your warrant?
Totally.
Where's your warrant? Where's your warrant?
Brandon,
Bro,
what's
I'll
your
beat
face?
you in court.
Hey, hold on.
He's not listening, dog, bro.
Relax.
Hold on, relax. Nah, bro. But you're dumb as fuck, dog. You think I don't know my rights? Here, come on. Bro, they just searched my car legally. They arrested me. I wasn't even
Hey, Brandon, walk over here for a second.
Bring it the fuck on, bro. I know my fucking rights, bro.
Relax.
Bitch, you got me fucked up, bro.
Hey, listen.
Bro, this bitch is gonna lose this
hey.
fucking car, bro. Don't fucking touch me, Hey, you gotta relax. You stupid ass bitch. Don't fucking touch my glasses either because I'll buy them better.
Okay. Brandon, you gotta calm down.
Yeah. You're going to jail, bitch.
Okay, well, you gotta calm down.
Yeah, you gotta stop. You just arrested illegally.
Deal with that when you get out.
Excuse me,
right?
I will.
Okay, right now you gotta focus on what they need you to do, okay?
You just arrested me illegally as fuck. You searched my vehicle illegal as fuck.
Hey, just let it go, sir.
Yeah. My mom's a fucking lawyer, bro. I don't give a fuck, bro. I know my rights, bro.
Listen, okay? You're in jail now, okay? Listen. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. We want you out of here, okay? We don't want you here. But listen, we gotta get this jury off, and we gotta get...
Yeah. Well, you have to get out. Can I take it out? There's a fucking
Yeah, you can take it out. You can take it out.
So let me go, bro.
We gotta take the handcuffs off. We're trying to have a conversation with you.
You're illegal as fuck. You searched my vehicle.
She was charged with an out-of-county warrant, possession of drugs, disorderly intoxication, and resisting an officer.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.